Hi everyone, this is Krishna from Chris Software Solutions. Uh, Today we are going to discuss on one of the Selenium topic, that is working with the frames, how to switch to the frames and how to come out from the frames. If any controls are there inside of the frame, then we could not able to identify unless until we move to the frame and work on that. So, and also before going to enter into the video, I want to show you one thing. Like, I have already uploaded videos related to the manual testing, and manual testing interview questions are there, agile model videos are there. Okay, these all are real-time process which I explained in these videos. Please try to go through it and come back to me with your questions in the chat box and all. See, this is the manual real-time interview questions. Manual testing, tell me about yourself. Selenium, tell me about yourself. TestNG questions. So, like similarly, what is waterfall model, V model, spiral model, and agile model? What are the different terminologies will be there? So these are all the what is GUI testing, ad hoc testing. What are the different types of environments we have? So all these videos already I have recorded and uploaded into the YouTube. Please go through the Chris Software Solutions is our channel. You can search with Chris Software Solutions in the YouTube. You will come to know all our videos and all. And also I have uploaded 2 videos for how to write the test cases in manual testing. If you follow these all videos, easily you will get the complete knowledge on manual testing. Anyway, currently I am doing videos for the Selenium. Easily you cope up with the Selenium videos also. So my request to you, if you don't have any knowledge on software testing, no need to worry. No need to worry about the knowledge which you don't have. Please try to go through our videos. In the playlists we have created all these videos. Please go through the manual testing playlist and try to go through all the videos one by one, so that easily you will understand what is software testing and how software testing is going to work. If you know basics of the manual testing, then to understand the real-time process, you need to go through all these videos. I explained very clearly with real-time process, so that easily you can understand. If somebody know manual testing, you can go through our manual real-time interview questions and Selenium questions. Few of them I uploaded, and I had to upload for the rest of the topics. I will do that. Okay, then let me enter into the video. So before going to that, I want to tell you one thing. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the frames concept. In the HTML and all, frames will be there. If any controls are inside of that frame, you cannot identify with the general procedure. So then first you need to switch to the frame. And then you need to perform the action on that particular element. Otherwise Selenium will not understand that particular control. You need to go to the first frame, and then you need to perform the action on control inside of the frame. Similarly, so these are all the 2 different ways you can switch to the frame. One is, if frame is having any name or ID attribute, then you can give directly name or ID attribute. Or apart from name or ID, if anything we are having, then similar procedure. You can give the locator of that particular element here. So driver.switch2.frame we are going to use to switch to the frame. And also once you move to the frame, your work is done inside of the frame. You want to come out from that frame, then you need to use driver.switch2.default content we need to use. So these are all the 2 different methods we are going to use to work with the frames and all. One is to move to the frame, one is switch to the frame, and other one is how to come out from the frame. For come out from the frame, we need to use driver.switch2.default content. So this will move out your control from the frame to the outside of the frame. So let me see practically how these are going to work. So let me create a new class here. I am giving frames example, public static void main. Okay, I am trying to copy the first 4 lines because this is a reusable code. You already know about it. Here just here what we are doing, I am printing the Chris software solutions. I am setting the Chrome driver path, exe path here, and then we are trying to launch the URL here, and then just I am giving implicit timeout here. For implicit timeout will applies to each and every element in your script first. So before going to that, let me show you the example. This is the sample site. I'm going to this site. These are most of the controls are there in this site, so I'm using this one. So let me go to the frames. Okay, let me search with frames here. Okay, frames is there. Click on here, and I want to click on this iframe. My requirement is switch to this particular website, and I want to enter the data here. I want to delete the existing data and I want to enter the data here. After that, I want to read this text. After that, I want to read this text. So how we are going to do that? See now. Okay, first we need to navigate to that particular page. So this is the page. This is the page I am navigating. Okay, fine. Next, what I need to do? Enter the data in your content goes here field. Okay, fine. Let me try to locate this particular element. Okay, this is the element where it is there. Yeah, this is the element. Okay, how we can it is having ID. It is having ID. Okay, so I want to divert dot find element by dot ID dot. First I want to clear the data and then I want to set the data. After clear, I want to set the data. How we can set the data? By using send case. So I am from Chris software solutions. This is the data I want to print it there. Okay, can I execute this script and we will see, because we are switching to the iframe, and just I want to clear the data, whatever the data available here, I want to clear it, and then I want to print this text into this field. We will see what will happen. So run as Java application. In the future videos and all, we are not going to use like this option. In the coming videos, we are going to use the testng. Then you no need to run a Java application. Then you need to run testng suite. What is the importance of testng and all, I will tell you later. Okay. See, it is trying to enter the data. See, your application is launched successfully. It is trying to enter the data here. See, we got the error. No such element exception we are getting, because this particular element is there inside of a frame. Let me show you that. Right click on it, inspect it. See, can you able to observe here? This is, where is our element? Let me inspect one more time. Inside of this HTML, we are, this is our field. Can you observe here carefully? Can you observe here carefully? Here iframe is there. This control is inside of a frame. So different values will be there. iframe will be there. Sometimes development team will use only frame. Okay, so in either of the cases you need to use the same syntax, either frame or iframe. Everything is same. So this control is inside of a frame, so that is the reason you are not able to identify. Now we need to switch to the frame first, and then we will try to enter the data. See, this frame is having ID is there. As I told you, if ID or name will be there, directly you can give to this syntax. If ID or name not there, then you can use this syntax. Okay, fine. Go here. Before going to clear it, I want to first switch to my frame. Divert dot switch to dot frame. I want to give the ID of it. Fine. Okay, so I have given the ID. Now observe it whether it is entering or not. Let me execute. Application is launching. Well, it is a test site, it will take some time. Okay, fine. Application is launched successfully. Now first it need to clear the data, and then it is going to enter I am from Chris Software Solutions. First it need to switch to this particular one. So far it is running fine, we did not get any error. See, existing text is deleted and it is entered I am from Chris Software Solutions. So that is how we need to work with frames. Whenever there is a frame, first you need to switch to that particular frame and perform your operation, and you need to come out from that frame. Now I want to read this text. Okay, now I want to read this text. Okay, inspect this one. Okay, h3 tag is there. Okay, how many h3 tags are there? Let me see here. h3. Okay, h3 only one tag is there. Entire HTML only one tag is there. Okay, now then we can use tag name. This is fine. Get the text. Now I'm going to use divert dot find element by dot tag name. What is our tag name? h3 is our tag name. h3 is tag name. Dot get text. I want to get the text. See here carefully. So what is the text here? This is the text. Okay, fine. I want to just print it. I want to just print the text. Text is fine. I want to just print the text. Let me execute and we will see what will happen. Is it work or not going to work? Because you did not come out from the frame. Now you are inside of the frame, but this control is not inside of a frame. As I told you, once you are inside of a frame and you want to perform any other action outside of that frame, you need to first come out from that frame and then you can perform the operation. See, let me observe here how it is working. So application is launched successfully and it need to clear this data and it need to enter here I am from Chris Software Solutions. It is trying to first switch to this one and it entered I am from Chris Software Solutions. Now see here whether this data is printing or not. You can see here I am trying to print the text. By using get text method we are fetching the text. See, it has thrown error, no such element exception. Because why it is throwing error? Because this is not inside of a frame, this is outside of a frame. Okay, you can see here this is outside of a frame, it is not inside. So that is the reason it is throwing an error. See here, observe carefully whether it is inside of a frame or not. See, h3 tag is there, it is not inside of a frame. There is no frames are there. That is the reason it is throwing error. To resolve this, what we need to do, just before going to perform this, driver dot switch to dot default content. What it is going to do, it will come out your control from the iframe or frame, and then you can able to perform your actions on other controls in the page. So now it is going to work perfectly, and it is going to get the text and print it for us. Okay, your browser is launched successfully and it is loading our application. As I told you, it is a sample website, so it will take some time. Okay, perfect. Application is launched successfully. And now what it need to do, it need to clear this text. Need to clear this text and enter our text. I am from Chris Software Solutions here, and then it need to fetch this particular text for us, and it has to print. See, it entered I am from Chris Software Solutions successfully, and you can observe here this text also printing here or not. See, an iframe containing the team keys. So okay, that's fine. Editor. See, now the text is coming, because what you did here, you come out from the iframe by using this statement. You come out from the iframe by using this statement. So that is the reason, in outside of the frame any control you can work out. So what I mean to say is, if you are inside of a frame, first you need to switch to that frame. If you want to perform any actions inside of a frame, then you need to switch to that frame, or your action is completed in the inside of the frame, then you need to come out from the frame and you need to perform the actions on it. So for come out from the frame, you need to do default content. Okay, driver dot switch to the default content will help us. Okay, so that's all for this video, how to work with the frames and all. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please like it and share it and subscribe to refer your friends also to subscribe our channel and help me. And see, I want to help as many as people, so that is the reason I am doing all these videos. So if you really likes it, please help me by subscribing and sharing, liking. Okay, and thank you so much. That's all for this.